Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Amex points to Hilton Honors. First, go to the American Express Membership Rewards website and log into your account. Click on the Rewards button in the top menu. Select Transfer Points to a Loyalty Program. From the list of transfer partners, click on Hilton Honors. Enter your Hilton Honors account number. Provide the required Amex card details to link both accounts. Choose the number of points to transfer. Must be in increments of 50 points. Minimum transfer 200 Amex points. Note, 1 Amex point is equal to 2 Hilton Honors points. Transfers may take up to 5 business days, but usually complete in 1 day. And that's it. That's how you transfer Amex points to Hilton Honors. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.